Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, I will show you how to draw cute and easy ice cream for kids. Let's draw and paint together. First, we are drawing a cylindrical glass. This is the decorative part of the glass. There are 3 round ice cream balls stacked on top of each other. Each ice cream has a different flavor, creating the perfect combination of sweet, fatty, and cool. Ice cream is very suitable to eat on hot days. Do you like ice cream? If so, let's practice drawing and coloring some simple and cute ice creams. Next, we draw the second ice cream cup. This is a crystal glass, the type of glass used to drink wine. Ice cream has many different types and flavors, such as vanilla ice cream, cone ice cream, chocolate ice cream, strawberry ice cream, watermelon ice cream, etc. Please comment below this video which type of ice cream you like. And here is an ice cream shaped like a torch. Draw slowly and carefully. No need to rush, no need to be perfect, as long as you have fun. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid. These ice cream balls are covered with a layer of brown chocolate. 3 round, soft ice cream balls, each with a distinct layer of flavor, from classic to modern.
Orange,
pink,
We are coloring this ice cream cup with different colors. You can use any color you like to color the picture.
red,
green, orange,
pink,
yellow,
red,
green,
Ice cream is very suitable to eat on hot days. Do you like ice cream? If so, let's practice drawing and coloring some simple and cute ice creams.
yellow,
red,
green,
purple,
orange,
picture is now very beautiful, isn't it? I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.